A stunning celestial event left Texans and residents of 5 other states in awe, as a spectacular meteor lit up the night sky. But this wasn't just any ordinary meteor sighting. It was a jaw-dropping spectacle that had people questioning their eyes. On Tuesday evening, a vibrant and colossal meteor blazed across the skies of Colorado, Kansas, Louisiana, New Mexico, Oklahoma, and Texas, leaving a trail of wonder and excitement. The American Meteor Society received an influx of nearly 200 reports from eyewitnesses, all describing the incredible sight. Imagine a flash of electric light, so bright and colorful, it seemed to suspend time for a moment. And this is where the story gets even more fascinating. Dashboard cameras and public webcams along the Gulf Coast managed to capture the meteor's brief but brilliant appearance. The footage reveals a sudden, intense flash that illuminated the sky, followed by a colorful trail. One witness from Newcastle, Texas, described the experience as surreal, with the meteor appearing larger and slower than usual, making those few seconds feel like an eternity. But here's where it gets controversial. Was this a once-in-a-lifetime event or just another meteor? Experts suggest it was a fireball, a type of meteor that outshines Venus due to its larger size and high-speed entry into our atmosphere. The color of the flash can reveal its cosmic composition. For instance, nickel might burn green, while sodium emits a yellow hue. This particular fireball is believed to be an early visitor from the Geminid Meteor shower, a highly anticipated annual event. The Geminids are known for their abundance, with over 100 meteors per hour expected during the peak, which is just around the corner. So, was this a sneak peek of the cosmic show to come? The debate is open, and we invite you to share your thoughts. Are fireballs just extra bright meteors, or do they hold a unique place in the celestial realm?